Hello guys, my name is Matthew and welcome to Google Analytics tutorial. We are going to talk about Google Analytics. What is it worth if you can use it? We are going to talk more about it, compare it with some competitors like Adobe Analytics or other managers, and then we'll create and set up an account so you can exactly see what is it all about. So, Google Analytics is the most popularly used web analytics tool for tracking and comparing websites' traffics and conversion rates of campaigns. And it's free of cost. Google Analytics analyzes can identify website performing poorly with various technique such as funnel visualizations, refers, where visitors came from, how long they stayed on the website, and their geographical position. It also provides more advanced features, including custom visitor segmentation. Google Analytics cohort analysis feature also helps to understand the behavior of components groups of users apart from your user population, which is beneficial for successful implementation of a marketing strategy. It's made literally for everybody, for small, medium, and large businesses. So it's for freelancers and also individuals. If you created your website and you really want to know what type of people and what type of traffic you are dealing with, Google Analytics is, well, maybe the best option for you. So, they are locating obviously in California, and you can run it in your web browser as I'm doing right now, or you can run it in your mobile phone on Android or iOS. It doesn't actually matter. They are providing online support. At the moment, there are two options if you want to become basically a patron. So, first one is free, and then the second one is quotation based. For Google Analytics 360, you need to get a quotation to exactly see what you want to pay for. So let's start with account name. Account can contain more than one tracking ID. So let's go with MK tutorials. Account data sharing settings. Data sharing options give you more control over sharing of Google Analytics data. I'm okay with that. Also, property name. Create a Google Analytics for property to measure your web and or app data. Property name. Reporting time zone. We are in Slovakia. So let's go straight away, which is GMT +2. And currency, let's go with old good euro. We can also get the advanced option, but we'll stop collecting 1st of July. Yep, and next. Help us tailor your experience when answering the following industry or category. Let's go with education if there is this option. Jobs and education, business size small, and site or app experience. Here is a multi option based. So create, Vecchia, I also accept, and here you are. Next step, set up a data stream to start collecting data. Choose platform, Android or iOS app. We can go with a web. So let's go with, for example, and let's measuring time views. Okay, stream name is required. MK tutorials. Create stream. Here it's loading. stream ID, measurement ID, and all the IDs that you can possibly imagine. But you need to make it okay. And here is no data past 48 hours. So we set up data streams. Also, you can go with Android, web, and iOS. Anytime you really want to, you can add another stream. But on the left side, we should focus on our home reporting button, then reports. Then we have explore, where you can get some kind of forms. For example, a free form. Advertising, and also configure. It really needs a time for you to get really a grasp of Google Analytics. It may appear a little bit too busy, and don't get me wrong, it actually is. But yeah, with a right amount of time and basically drive, you will be able to do it. Here we have all the platforms: Data Studio, Platform, Home, and Analytics. On the question mark here is a help, and also feedback, start tour, and your account as well, which is a Gmail one. Obviously, I'm using my personal Gmail account, so you can manage all the data streams and all the revenue that you can actually get in here. With Google Analytics, you can do basically everything you really need to do. Freeform, last modified, you have everything in here. Exploration name, freeform, custom segments, US, cohort exportation or tab techniques, and you can also export the data in here. I really like it. It's really, I can compare this type of analytics to YouTube Studio, for example, where you can also see all the users in last 30 minutes, users, new users, average engagement time, which is measured by Google Analytics, and also the total revenue that it brought to you. Then I would say the best with the Google Analytics, it's the option with integrations, which is completely free, and you don't have to pay any more into it. On the bottom left is admin options. You can get the account settings, account access management. At the moment, it's just me. All filters, account change, and rubbish bin. So you can see everything in there. With the users, there is also only me. And with admin settings, exactly, you can do anything you really want to. Just remember, guys, this is just a sneak peek into it, how to get into Google Analytics. There's going to be more videos about Google Analytics, so stay tuned, and we will cover basically everything that Google Analytics can provide for you. So stay tuned. I don't really like creating long videos about it, and long videos about what you exactly have to do with the timestamps. I really find it more useful to create shorter videos, around 3 minutes long, where exactly I'll tell you what you need to know. And I would really appreciate if you just tell me underneath this video what exactly you want to see, because Google Analytics is just huge feature-wise. So we can join and we can add website together and start measuring all the revenues, all the views, and everything that you can use with Google Analytics. Up until that, all your questions please leave underneath this video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. And don't forget, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you feel like. It will help a lot. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next one. Goodbye and have a great day.